Alright, it's about 2:30, Wednesday, July 8th. Or is it the 9th? Well, anyway, it is pouring. Our water catchments are overflowing. I did get my tractor moved and running, as you can see there, right next to the M. I've got the bales in the chamber there on this baler covered. It is pouring really, really hard right now. And I was actually going to fire that Oliver up and go do a little bit of cutting, but my water heater went down today. Anywho, crazy rainy day. And I guess I'm thankful for it. I got the hay out of the field, so I really don't mind. The chickens are in the coop. And you can hear the thunder. Lots of lightning strikes again. So the pastures actually look really, really good, even after cutting them. Especially after cutting them, it's kind of revitalizes them. And so I don't think we'll get a second cutting, but the grass will keep growing through the season, and that'll be really nice. Keep grazing the animals and go into this fall with, nice cover on the ground. So, all right. Big rainy day here in Loyalton, California.